All right, Google Classroom tip number 18, and that is archiving classes. So maybe you have finished with a particular class, a particular semester, and you find that having all of these classes in our classroom homepage is too overwhelming. You can actually archive them so that they are still, they're still there, but they're not taking up a whole heap of valuable real estate. So if you would like to archive any of your former Google Classroom classes, all we simply do is head to the homepage of Google Classroom. You will see your classes here, and we're going to click our three dots. Our three dots always mean more options, and then we have the ability to archive. Okay, it will pop up with this little message telling you that archiving a class causes it to be archived for all participants and will unlink your SIS if your class is linked. Okay, archived classes can't be modified by teachers or students unless you restore them. All right, and the class will move to your archived classes section. Class files will remain in that Google Drive folder. So you will still have access to those for future classes, but that particular class that you are archiving will just move to your archived classes folder. So if you have a large number of classes that you are no longer using, it's probably a great idea just to do a regular archiving, just to keep it neat so that we're not accidentally making a mistake and using the wrong class. We don't want that, especially when we know that our time as educators is so precious. We don't want to be making a mistake and having to go and fix it and waste time that we could have been using working on creating wonderful resources and activities for our students.